Hey, welcome to the next video in our video series of Livy AI, an AI-powered content creator. If you haven't, please check back on the previous videos where I kind of give a walkthrough of each of the capabilities within Livy AI. But today I'm going to be talking about something that we're really excited about and really proud of, and it's our AI Screenwriter tool. So a couple months ago, there was a big discussion that AI is going to replace screenwriters. There was the Writers Guild strike and studios combating on how AI could replace jobs. So internally as a team, we wondered, how is that possible? How can AI actually do that? And effectively, we found out it cannot. ChatGPT at its current capabilities is not able to write a full-length script. So we've dedicated a lot of time and resources on how can we create the most effective tool for writers to generate screenplays. Now, what we currently have live is our early version. We are currently in development and testing our full-length AI Screenwriter tool, which we'll showcase in the next couple of weeks. But what you'll see here is an idea of what you can do as a screenwriter, filmmaker, content creator, or even podcaster looking to generate scripts for your content as well. So if we look at this case, we have different ones. We have AI Scriptwriter Generator, one-shot AI Scriptwriter Generator, movie script generator, idea generator, and script outline generator. I'm going to focus mostly on this one-shot AI script generator to show you the capabilities of what we can do. So Barbie, great hit movie. It was really popular in the movie theaters. Let's take a look at what we can do if we wrote a general plot, fed into our AI system that has a proprietary framework in which we generate content and see what we can do. So Barbie, project's about Barbie goes to Mars to find Ken and gets lost. Let's keep it very simple. That's the general plot we want to have for right now and see what we get. Maximum length, we'll keep it short to see how the script does. Creativity, let's put it at a premium. Voice, I think the Barbie movie was a little bit sarcastic, a little bit funny, but let's keep it funny for right now. And here it's going to start just off of that prompt, start generating a script. And let's click generate. Cool. So it's starting off with Barbie's Martian adventure, interior on Barbie's dream house, living room, daytime. Barbie's a glamorous, confident doll, stands in front of her friends Skipper and Stacy beside a model rocket ship. Girls, I have an exciting mission today. Ken has gone missing. I'm heading to Mars to find him. So, in a matter of seconds, it was able to generate arguably the first scene of the movie. It established the characters, it established the location, it said where they were going, and so forth. So if you were a writer and you had just had an idea of what you wanted to write but did not know how to write it, this is a great way to do it. So you're able to input your idea, generate some content, and then feed off of it. In our upcoming versions that we have, we'll be able to take a single idea that you have and be able to generate a full-length 100-page screenplay just off of that. So what used to take months now takes minutes, and with Livy AI, this proprietary tool and technology that we're using allows you to do just that. So feel free to check out our other tools, but if you're an aspiring screenwriter and looking for ways to generate content, this is a great way to get it done. Again, my name is Jonathan Brown, CEO and founder of Livy AI, and stay tuned for our next video in the series on how to use AI to generate content for you and your business.